Alright guys, today we're gonna downloading Keil µVision 5 software for our 8051 microcontroller. For that, open your Chrome browser and enter this Keil µVision 5 and hit the enter button. If you hit the enter button, you can land on this website and select the first one website, Keil download. After you click on this website, then this window is open. Okay, you have to select first one, product download. After you click the product download, okay, so we need to click on this C51. Okay guys, I'm gonna click on this C51 and see guys, here C51 V961 exe, you have to click on this actually, and one exe file will be downloading. So see guys, one exe file is starting downloading. Let me press Ctrl plus J and you can see the file has been started downloading. It's around 105 MB. Our file has been downloaded successfully. Now we're gonna install it. Click on this file icon. It will open file manager and see. Click on this and select run as administrator. And click on yes. Then click on next. Agree the license. Then next. Then fill your information. You may fill dummy also. Type next. It will take some time. Have a patience guys. Hit the subscribe button guys until this installation process has been complete. Our installation process has been complete. Now take these 3 check boxes and finish, and you can see
Power off.
here our software has been installed successfully. I'm gonna double click and open it. Congratulations guys, you have installed successfully Keil µVision 5 software. Thank you for watching this video.